I know all about it. I wanna put a ball in a corner pocket. I just read a diary when I'm ballin' at Mercedes. No cop car, she a tyrant. Yeah, that T, that means she take it. She'll feel right if she play me. She won't take my bread, no bacon. And just for that, I'll love the cake. She keep going around like a equator. I introduce.
Hey guys, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, in today's video, y'all gonna see me travel with my friends to Tennessee. We did a Tennessee trip and I didn't record an intro to this video because honestly, the day of when we was going to Tennessee, I was rushing packing and stuff like that. So y'all gonna see me pack a little bit in the beginning of the video. But y'all, we did a Tennessee trip for 4 days, 3 nights, and it was very fun. But yeah, I vlogged this whole trip. Hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoy the trip and I enjoy recording for you guys. So yeah, let's get right into the video. It's our first stop, and we at the gas station. We had to take a restroom break. Jazz got some food. Here's Janae. Hey. So they scared right now because a man said have fun to us. He said it's a girl. What are you talking about? So we're an hour and a half away, y'all, from the cabin. And your girl fell asleep twice. This trail to the cabin is scary, y'all. We going to twists and turns. Everything. Hey y'all, so we is here. I thought the car was. We all about to see what the cabin looks like. Y'all, so we're getting our bags out now. Oh, this is so rainy. Yeah, so we finna do a tour. So we go downstairs.
Hey, Gar. You was sleeping, Gar? You looking up your nap?
And this is what it looks like downstairs. Oh, this is the bumping room. Or is it? There's no door though. Bump it. And then it's around right here. And then laundry, bathroom. Me. Here's the biggest room. And then here's the tub bath. Here's one room. The main room. With a tree. Alright, here's upstairs. Ooh, it's hot up here. Here's one room. And here's another room. And here's the bathroom. Alright. Family meeting, y'all.
One night we're gonna get everything we need for the taco sauce, and then everything we need for tomorrow, everything we need for next day, and then just divide the price. Yeah. 50. I could get the breakfast stuff. You know. Yeah, we could be team breakfast.
Okay, so y'all getting breakfast. Write that down.
So for breakfast, all the days, I was thinking cinnamon rolls, French toast sticks, eggs, bacon.
Oh, I don't know about all that.
For everybody.
It's supposed to be on the shoe. 60 count of eggs.
Yeah. Supposed to be on the shoe.
That is.
So what y'all talking about?
I didn't say
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, because it's like
It's gonna be a lot of us. We need a lot of eggs.
Look, 2 eggs.
Babe, no.
2 eggs.
Wait, how many eggs you need?
Maybe like a carton of like
A big ass
24.
carton.
No.
We need
Carton.
more than
We need
24.
60 eggs. That
We
way
need breakfast every day.
60
That's enough.
eggs.
Think about it like this.
We not.
Everybody get
You know we
two
don't be here
eggs.
for three
That's
nights.
24 eggs.
3 mornings.
Do you not know the average 4 people?
We don't need that much.
You need
You
4
don't have
eggs.
other
That's
shit,
what's
so
gonna
you
get
don't
like
need
pizza.
You don't need 3 eggs. though.
But who eat eggs like
Y'all
that?
get different shit.
Nah, babe,
Scrambled
listen.
eggs.
Everybody
fried
eat eggs
Yeah, do
like
everybody
that?
eat
Yeah,
eggs?
potatoes.
I eat fried eggs.
Listen.
I eat boiled.
I eat scrambled.
Okay, so that's
So
enough.
y'all
So
just
60
cook it, so it don't
pounds.
even matter.
I only need 2.
60 is
We
China,
get eggs.
we
We don't
get
care about how y'all
We
cook
get
it.
60 pounds. That's gonna be enough.
But who gonna
for
take the
Everybody
food
got
home when
told.
it's leftovers?
Listen, I got some
Wait.
bacon.
Who eat pork and who? I eat turkey bacon. I eat any. You eat pork? He eat turkey.
Go, how many?
So
eggs
y'all
you
eat pork.
Mhm.
Wait,
Yeah,
y'all.
I eat pork.
I
So-
can eat
like 3 or
anything.
4.
So 1 pack of pork bacon should last y'all.
Yeah.
Okay,
How
and
many
then
people?
3
That's
packs.
That's 32
Wait,
eggs.
1 pack?
3
1
packs.
pack?
Four
No, I
eggs.
think it's
Eggs.
Pork for
sneak
you,
Four
her,
eggs.
and him? That's not enough.
Ain't
We
nobody
probably
gonna eat that
need
much
like
bacon.
2
Well, we
packs.
gonna have
of
other
turkey.
Oh, wait,
turkey
wait.
bacon.
Okay. Are we
But
getting
the
stuff for the
bacon
whole
be
week?
bigger.
We just
Yeah.
gonna have to know
We
when
get
we
stuff
get
for the whole
there.
week?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Never
So
mind.
who
We
got
probably
that
need 3 packs of
Good.
bacon.
Y'all talking money right now.
There shouldn't be no more.
I think 1 pack of bacon.
Me,
should
I
last.
need
I think
Hey,
3.
y'all can get the
Because there's
family
1, 2,
value,
3,
too.
4,
7.
5.
Y'all can cut it in half.
Two.
And then have
0, 0. 6.
China. You
That's your
trying
lunch
to no
What?
China,
That's your lunch number.
no.
Bro, is that a
Okay.
bed book?
Nah, I checked already.
I checked too.
Yeah, I
We
checked.
already
Don't
checked
worry, I
that.
seen one, but I ate it though, so it's gone.
Caleb!
What?
Stop.
Yeah, I
What
checked.
y'all talking about?
So
We
can't do
good.
nothing.
Okay, so
Y'all talking
We
about
just about
get
to
the
go.
biggest part of eggs. Y'all talking about, first of all, y'all already fucked right there. Why do we need 60 eggs?
We don't need
For scrambled eggs.
Oh,
You
you
got
got
fried
to
Man,
eggs.
do it.
No, y'all can't cook.
We
How
don't
about we
Y'all
just go
not-
and figure it
Okay,
out?
y'all, look.
No,
listen,
because we
Nah,
could be
yeah.
arguing in the
Listen,
store.
listen,
We're going to be there for like
That
2
gotta happen
hours.
max.
Listen.
We're not
I'm
sitting
done.
here the
Three
whole
mornings?
day.
3 mornings?
Let's go to our ancestors.
60 eggs?
Little eggs. What's
What
little
difference does
eggs?
it make?
Eggs, that's it.
All right,
We have a lot
wait.
of eggs.
So who eat the eggs scrambled?
Why does that matter?
Because about 2
No,
eggs scrambled is a small
y'all
portion.
thinking-
We need 60 eggs
No,
total, no matter
no,
how you
y'all
cook it,
thinking
we need
about
60.
eggs for a whole
No,
month.
we
We
don't do
talking
that,
about 3
We
mornings.
can just get 2 24 carton of eggs.
Yeah,
What
let's just
difference
do
does
that.
it
We
make
could just
in
get-
60 though?
I mean, it don't.
So we're
but we
gonna
can
have a
just
lot of
grab-
leftover
yeah, like,
food.
we should just
That's
grab
more
2
money.
20.
We didn't get to the dinner yet. They just arguing about breakfast. We didn't get to
Arguing about eggs.
Right. We didn't get what about pancakes?
Bro, we
Okay,
can
we
just
talked
get
about
2
the
24
pancakes.
count of eggs. We can get 2 things of pork
Wait,
bacon,
did y'all
2
bring the
things of
waffle
turkey
maker?
bacon.
Somebody
We're gonna
bring
have
the
more
waffle
than
maker?
just eggs for breakfast. So we
Ain't
don't
nobody
need
bring the
enough
waffle
eggs.
maker?
Huh? No, I forgot.
Hey,
Yeah, it's okay.
Pancakes, pancakes, Jazz. Pancakes.
Oh, no damn pancake.
Pancakes.
It's the
Alright.
same
Bro.
thing.
French toast.
French toast.
Okay. Nail me. Are we getting the first toast that's made already?
Cause
they talking. Why y'all talking shit?
We talk while y'all talk.
Everybody relax.
Huh,
Be
that's-
calm.
we could do taco salad.
No, listen, you want it.
Wait, how do y'all make
It's
your
gonna be so cheap.
How about we pay
No.
for
We
Me?
should do a taco bar.
Yeah.
You get
No,
lettuce,
I'm
put
telling
lettuce,
y'all, no.
tomatoes, and
I'm-
Hell no.
Oh,
It's gonna be a shit
where are
show.
dishes?
It's gonna be
Do
a
they
shit
even
show.
have dishes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
hella dishes.
They have like pots and pans and stuff. But hibachi was pretty
We're
easy.
gonna do burgers.
Yeah, we can do
We gonna
burgers.
grill one day for y'all. That way y'all ain't gotta worry about it. Y'all can't handle it.
Alright, we can do burgers and hot dogs.
Y'all.
I don't eat hot
y'all-
dogs, but
They perfect. They
No, we
perfect.
not.
Because every time I brought up grilling, y'all told us no.
We
Y'all
gonna
supposed
do
to
it.
cook.
We don't like when you
Y'all
say
getting the
do it. We
pre-made
wanna do it.
burgers?
We wanna do it.
Or y'all gonna make it yourself?
They get it pre-made.
China, you ain't. Hey,
China,
this ain't cooking with China right now. This
Oh, bro.
hey, come on now. Hey, we know how to grill. We know how to cook. We know how to cook.
We'll come back when we
Two
figure
places
this out.
out.
Alright, y'all, so we finally leaving after 1,000 years. Trying to figure out what we getting. We out. About to go grocery shopping. What up, y'all? It's your girl Naomi.
back at it with it again.
Hey, hey, hey.
Turn up on this cabin trip.
Hey, y'all, so we in Walmart right now. And, hold on, I gotta clean my camera. Alright, y'all, we in Walmart right now to get all the things to eat throughout the whole trip, y'all. So we getting breakfast food, we getting stuff for taco salad, burgers, snacks, drinks, all that. So we getting lettuce right now.
way down. And cheese,
Here's the food
chips,
so
sour
far.
cream. So we literally have to get
We
sliced
need
cheese,
sliced
sour
cheese.
cream, cheddar cheese.
We got a few more things cross off the list.
Alright, y'all, so it's Jasmine.
But you can get them from here.
Hey, y'all.
If not, I just
Wait, y'all. Look. All right, look. This is all the girls, the pretty girls. Period.
Are we getting Taco Bell?
I don't care. No, I do not care. Y'all gotta get one of these.
No.
One of these on here, 'cause we're not getting our Taco Bell stuff.
I'm
You gonna be
getting
on the
it.
pot shitting for hours.
I don't
below-
care.
You know what that is? This, hold on.
It's the
This-
meat. It's not the sauce.
Below the belt.
It's
this
the
is
meat.
below the belt.
It's the
bottom
meat.
of the barrel, y'all.
It's the
Bottom
meat.
of the motherfucking barrel. No.
I just saw you get. I just saw
why you eat a Taco Bell?
Just get something. Come on, cause they really.
I don't care.
They pissing me off.
Alright, y'all, I'm just playing. Come on.
Hey,
Y'all get what you
yeah, language.
Wait, how do I see what? So we're getting the freeway now. It's at 114, and I think it's gonna be 320.
I think it's gonna be 3.
Alright, I'm gonna just tell them 10:50. Should we just,
How much you think it'll be?
yeah, I think 3:34. So it's
Probably
50.
like 320. Or somebody said that already?
I don't think nobody said that. Naomi. How much you think it'll be?
340.
Alright, so we're gonna come back with y'all when we figure out how much the price is.
I changed my mind. I feel like it's gonna be. Get the close up. I feel like it's gonna be
210.
250. 250? Okay.
250?
That's fair.
Okay.
But look, it's not that much.
Okay, I think
And tell them this.
I don't know. I don't know.
I think it's gonna be 210. I'm saying 210.
Okay. We'll come back with
I
y'all.
just told them to send 50 to Naomi.
Come back with y'all.
Wait, why you ain't wait?
Who's the closest one?
It was me. I was the closest.
Hey y'all! So me and Naomi is in the kitchen right now, and I'm about to cut these tomatoes up for the taco salad. If you want to, though. Yeah. Earlier. That was like I think an hour ago.
I'm gonna preheat the
Who
other.
was talking about it? Me, Naomi.
That the meat almost done?
It's done.
I think it's it's done. You hungry? I'm hungry too.
Big on it. You know we ate that nasty pizza earlier.
Was that Little Caesars?
Mm-hmm. It wasn't nasty. It made my stomach. This grandma.
Oh.
See now, you ain't never seen this one? That's the grandma.
I thought I was recording the whole time.
Where's all that right there? That's seasoned the kitty though.
Alright, y'all. Oh, we about to eat. Well, I'm eating right now.
How about you should have made your own damn plate?
Right. I don't know about the Arizona. Hey, tell about the Arizona.
I loaded it up.
Yeah,
I don't know about that.
There's 8 people eating.
Alright.
More than you want here. I don't know what you should make your own plate.
They ain't got it. It's locked.
Why are they starting to lock certain movies? Alright, y'all, so we playing Uno right now. And I'm winning. And we got the 2 chefs over here. Karaoke time!
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room for what you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull. My seagull, money, all rolling. Big car keys in the trash, they rolling. We take time, good time now. So they have for the girls, and they all so foreign. Bring some poison, rainbow showing. Nice handshake, first night from falling. All our fans, first flight from calling. First impressions, they love the crew.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day and we ate breakfast. We had some good breakfast. We had pancakes, bacon, potatoes, and eggs. Here's Jazz, here's Janae. We on the strip right now of Gallenberg. There's a lot of things to do, like a lot of things to do. And it's so pretty out. Well, the scenery is pretty, but it's cold out. And we're trying to figure out what to do. Play this game, y'all. So I'm gonna play this game so I can get some tokens. Let's see if I can get some tokens. You know, I used to be a pro at least, so. Come on, please. I'm gonna try to play some basketball. Let's see if I still got it. Oh! I just made it. Oh. Oh, crap. Hold on, God. Oh! See, look, you gotta do the flick off your wrist. You gotta flick off your wrist. Alright, y'all, so we about to go on this long thing with the bridge, and Jazz taking her pictures. Alright, y'all, Jazz and Aaron's up there. Hold y'all phones, hold everything. Make sure y'all secure. Jazz and Aaron, look.
Oh my goodness, we going up high. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Alright, y'all, so we going up the mountain.
I'm so scared.
Look, y'all.
Oh my goodness.
We're going up the mountain and it's bouncing and shaking and stuff. Oh my goodness. Me and Janae was not going to go on this at first, but Jazz talked us into it. And apparently we're supposed to walk around this bridge. And it's partly see-through. You think it's see-through?
I'm so scared.
Alright, y'all. So I'm going to catch y'all when we halfway up the mountain. And yeah.
I'm scared.
Alright, y'all. So we almost at the top. We like right there, and they're gonna let us off, and then we gotta go on this bridge. But this is what it looks like down there. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. And there's some nice cabins. Cabins over there. That's probably a four drive up the mountains. All right, y'all. So we off the things, and we getting our pictures right now. Here's our picture.
This is so cute.
It is cute. Hey, y'all, we finna go on the bridge. The long bridge. How y'all feeling?
I'm scared.
Alright, y'all, so we're going back across the bridge. And yeah, we made it the first time, so that's good. It's sprinkling right now, and we're finna go down the hill, back down the hill, and do some other things. So yeah, it was scary the first time, but it's cool this time. It's like walking across anything, honestly, walking around. So honestly, I'm gonna catch y'all when we down the hill. So yeah, we got a 4-way down, so I'm gonna catch y'all a little later. All right, y'all, so we're going back down the mountain. Oh my goodness, y'all, that was actually fun. I really enjoyed myself up there.
I did too.
Like, It was fun, and that bridge was scary, especially the part where you could see through it. Like that was scary, but that experience was fun. But it is a little cold. But luckily, it's not that cold. How it was like a week ago, I think. A week ago, it was freezing. So I'm kind of happy about that. It's not that cold, cause it's cold, but not that cold. So yeah, we're finna go down this mountain right now, and yeah, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all when we down the mountain and whatever we do next.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room for what you following me for?
Alright, y'all, so we're going in the haunted house. I'm gonna come back with y'all when we out.
Head on down that.
Y'all ready?
Y'all ready?
It's all like they scared. They scared.
Right here.
Oh, please get your ticket. Alright, y'all. So, this is the energy right now. We're gonna see the energy when we finish this, okay? Alright, y'all. So, we got out the haunted house and we got our money worth. I'm gonna say it. We got our money worth. At first, it was not that scary, but toward the end, it was scary. Y'all, he was running. He was running. They was running. They all was running. So tell your experience.
My experience was great, but towards the end it did get a little scary. That elevator, they ate with that one. But it was worth 16. It was worth 16.
Yeah, that elevator, y'all, we think we finna get off the elevator. There's a whole scary guy right there. And I was the person going, I was scared.
Last time the girl
I
was
was
in
so
the
scared.
your pic. Last time.
With the vibes up, so that's good, y'all. Yeah, so we playing hide and seek in the maze right now. Oh! Y'all, Troy, he trying to find us. There he is down there! Oh, go! Wait, it's not the end. Wait, hold on. No! Where everybody at? Where everybody else at? Oh, there I go. So we getting food. We are cooking at the cabin, but we getting food right now. We got cookout right now, and I never tried this, but Janae been saying it's good, so we finna try it. The line is long, so we finna see. It's so packed in here. Yeah, so eating right now. Cookout.
She's gonna give me new fries. So she's gonna keep them. So if you want them.
Wait, what's
I really don't like I like shredded.
Okay, I'm going to pick that folks. Thank you, babe.
special sauce? Can I try?
Oh, that sounds good.
They ranch?
Look out
I'm
sauce.
about to try it.
Special sauce. Let's see.
Babe, can you give me
Let's see what
some
they
special sauce?
No, cookout sauce.
I mean cookout sauce.
I mean, it says special sauce on the thing.
It's kind of like sweet.
Oh, you already up here.
Kind of tastes like creamy. You don't like it?
Yeah, wait, I can taste.
You want cookout sauce or no?
Cookout, what's that?
I mean, it's okay.
I didn't really.
You want, you guess?
I just wanted to dip my thing in this one.
Alright, find out what she don't give you a number or she don't bring one to you.
I'm gonna watch out for her.
Oh, this mine, because this smells just like banana pudding.
Banana pudding milkshake. Maybe I should have got one.
Y'all like it so far?
I'm telling y'all.
You had it before?
I do have it.
In Chattanooga with Tyler. That was like square cheese.
I was in West Virginia this every day.
Huh? Really?
Like 5 minutes away. I was in West Virginia.
With 17 Aaron food, Aaron Jazz food.
Wait, they're not in here?
Did they order?
Right here.
Where they at? What up, Dad?
He's right here, but I don't know where Jazz at.
You walking up? Hello? Yeah, what's up? Me and Troy be on Saturday.
Walk with Jocko.
I'm about to try it.
Pretty good.
Oh, you got that too?
I got it.
I don't know. I don't think he got nothing to do, but I don't know.
But Saturday? Party buzz. I'll help y'all.
Y'all.
Alright.
I just tried my fries and cheese bites. Y'all, look at the cheese food.
What shit you haul for? You ain't even got that much stuff.
Bobby's bed.
I ain't trying a
Like
burger.
the couches and stuff?
Dang, you could take everything.
Fries good.
Yeah, you gonna take the couch though? Man, I kinda like that couch though. Alright, let's rock, paper, scissors for it then when I get home. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Yeah, well, I'll help you though. Just,
We got some pounds, yeah, we got
if it ain't Saturday, I mean, if we can't help you too much on Saturday, 'cause you know we gotta drive back on Saturday, so it's like a 5-hour drive. So, but
So Sunday we got it.
yeah, we probably can help you Sunday.
There's a bus with me.
You know, we got
2 hours.
we got church on Sunday, but we can help you though. I'm gonna help you. Don't worry about it. You know I got you though. Come on, I got you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm already out.
Hey, guard. Garcia.
Yeah, I see that.
Aaron.
I'm happy for you. Well,
Guys, so we back in the cabin. We've been back in the cabin for a little while, and all the girls are going in the hot tub. We're changing to go in the hot tub, y'all. It's pretty dark in here. We don't really got much light. Huh? Y'all are ready? Yeah. Getting ready. Here's Niani. Hey. Y'all, it's pretty dark in here. Like, very dark.
Girl, because we need to turn the lights on.
Oh. That's it. That's it.
Yeah, they eat better. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna get ready.
I know.
Well, it's gonna take me like 5 seconds. You ready?
Yeah, it ain't gonna take me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bruh.
It is gonna. You can change it first or me? I'm coming back with y'all when we ready to go in the hot tub. Alright, y'all. So we about to head into the hot tub. It's so cold outside.
Come on, you moving slow.
It's so cold. Y'all see that? That's how y'all know it's cold, cause like it's smoke coming from my mouth.
Smoke coming from the water.
I call first in the shower.
Okie dokie. Artichoke. Alright, the hot tub, y'all.
Did y'all bring the speaker?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, where's the speaker?
It's upstairs in our room.
Niani, now that you know that was your main mission.
Ooh, it's super hot. My toes burning.
Hot tub, y'all.
Even though I'm not awake.
Anyways, I'm putting this camera back. Yeah, so I'm ending right now, but in the next footage, which y'all about to see, y'all gonna see me wearing the same clothes on. I didn't record like the morning or anything that day, y'all. I got the same clothes on because we was going to ATVs, and ATVs, it was very like muddy, and it was raining that day, so we was gonna get dirty. And I didn't have extra clothes to get dirty in, so I wore the clothes that I wore the day before. So that's the reason why I got the same clothes on, y'all. It is the next day. It's not the same day as y'all seen before. I just have the same clothes on because I didn't have anything else to wear to get dirty. I didn't want to wear the clothes I was wearing that day, like that day to get dirty, because I'm going to be wearing that day to like go to the mall and stuff that we went to. Y'all gonna see that later on the footage. But yeah, that just sum up on why I got the same clothes on. Yeah, so we going on UTVs. That's what it's called, ATVs?
Yes. ATVs. 4-wheelers.
ATVs, 4-wheelers right now. And we were driving to the trail. And I'm about to put, here's your name, she buckling up. But I'm about to put on this scarf so I can cover my face a little bit. Because it's going to be cold driving around.
It's freezing out here.
Yeah,
It's freezing.
so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do that right now. I'm not going to have this bun in, come have a helmet on. So they nervous and I'm not.
Girl, you just said you nervous.
I'm just kidding.
We'll start purple like that.
Right. I'm just joking. Yeah, so we got our masks on, our helmets on.
Yeah, I don't like this. I need a different one. Shit.
I got red.
This shit too little, but.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna get on. We up on the mountains right now. We're on the halfway point. Look at this view behind us.
They was going slow as fuck. I'm like, well, they made a black community right now.
Okay, y'all, let's do a group pic. Group pic, y'all.
Can y'all take our picture?
How's y'all experience so far?
China, how was your experience? You did really well. I'm proud of you. And your jacket's still white. It's still white. That means you ain't been no work in.
Okay, it's me again, y'all. So it's later on that day, and we changed and all that good stuff. We took a shower, everything else from the ATVs. It was very fun. Didn't really record much on the ATVs because I couldn't record because we was going up the mountains, down hills, through mud, through water, everything, y'all. So I couldn't record really because I'm trying to, you know, be safe and not be on my phone for real because that stuff could be dangerous if you're not paying attention. But yeah, it was very fun. I would give the experience 10 out of 10. It was very fun. I would definitely do it again. My hands was freaking cold. Like my fingertips was freezing. I think a lot of people's fingertips was freezing because it was cold outside. And mind you, we on the ATVs, 4-wheelers, like the wind is blowing towards us. But anyway, in the next footage, y'all gonna see us at the cabin eating and stuff like that. We did take a shower, we did change and all that good stuff, and it's the same day as the ATVs. But yeah. So I didn't want it to y'all could be confused because it do jump off weirdly because I didn't record much. I was just living in the moment and just having fun. So yeah. Wait, touch up ahead. Here's my food chat. Alright, y'all. I got wings, chips, and burger. So the next footage y'all about to see us out to eat, and y'all probably seen me eating before we left the cabin, is because we did a lot of things when we left the cabin. We went to the mall. We went to a few stores. I think we went to get matching pajamas. I'm not sure if it was that day or not, but I didn't record nothing else but when we went out to eat. So that's the next footage y'all about to see.
Why was that video? Go.
Y'all was in my video the whole day.
No, it was not. I don't remember.
Well, the whole yesterday.
You began us when we ugly. You got me in the morning. I'm like.
I did not get you in the morning.
Well, I had on the ugly clothes one day.
All right, y'all. So we out to eat.
Say hey.
Hey. We the ones that we never get on.
We at where we at?
We got Big Daddy.
Yeah, so we at the pizzeria.
Where we at?
We at the pizzeria, y'all. And I think I'm gonna get a cheese pizza, taco pie, so I'm playing.
What?
Let's get some buffalo stuff outside too.
Hold up.
Eat it, baby. Alright, y'all, so we watching all the memories from, what's more memories than this, but from the cabin, because today's the last day, and the vacation is coming to an end, and we made a Snapchat group chat, and we watching all the memories we took at cabin trip on the trip.
What happened? Oh. They were like, what? Was that Kay? That's Kay.
Bruh.
Everybody was whistling. Oh!
Oh my, bruh. Why you not on that? Or not, that's your favorite one. Why you not on that? He's not bad. He's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
Why you not on
It's
that?
not bad.
White boy.
I peeped. I'm like, you recording me?
No. She snoring? Right. Spirit her. That was last night? Nah. In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name, man, don't play. God don't like ugly. Egg on the shelf. Egg on the side, ready to hatch. Egg is on the side, ready to get fried right now. I don't spirit you again, and you ain't gonna get spirit tonight. So you better wake up before you get that egg right on your head. Wake up, lock in. Egg is right there. Egg is right there. You go to sleep again. Egg is right there. Where? Here. I'm proud of you. Good job. You made up. And China. Good job, China.
Who's up on that bus right now? Let me wear it real quick.
Okay, then.
Bruh.
His name is Holder. Wait, oh, y'all look. What?
What you on the phone with?
Alright. Hey y'all, so we coming to the end for this video. I really enjoyed the trip. I think everybody enjoyed the trip. It was very, very fun, y'all, and everything. So I didn't record much, which I thought I did, but I didn't. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. I'm gonna do better. But see you in the next video. I love you guys.